Hey! Where are you going, my donkey?
That's my donkey.
It's my donkey now.
So I've read your script here, the Celtic Lion, about this Brian Boru cat.
Vikings are retreating to their ships. We've won the day.
Heavenly Father, you have helped us defeat the pagan invaders.
Why does he have to die at the end? I mean, it's kind of a downer, you know what I mean?
But he did die at the Battle of Clontarf.
Yeah, maybe, but you know, that's been done before in Braveheart. What if Brian were a woman?
A woman?
Great news, Your Highness. You've repelled the invaders and won the day for Ireland.
Brian is really Britta.
Was it hard?
Hard? Was what hard?
Your biceps. No, the battle's silly. Were you scared, my hero?
Britta O'Brien, a princess, who wants to be a warrior, but couldn't on the fact she was born a beautiful broad. I'm a woman. You know, we got a big audience here.
Is there something wrong with your voice, Your Highness? It was deeper before.
Just as soft.
Just it's softer with all the emotion of winning such a large battle. My, but you have
Excuse me, Your Majesty.
That's like putting a dress on George Washington.
I hadn't thought of that.
What's the hold-up?
There were big layoffs yesterday.
Was it the call centre?
No, it was Riverdance.
Sad like.
You're telling me that fast course I did on dance is feckin' useless now.
This fast dancing courses is still going on.